Hello Internet. Today you're going to learn how to measure a bolt pattern on a hub, and to do that you're going to need a very special measuring device like this one. First we'll start with a 4 lug. It's an even number of lugs, so you can go center to center across, and this is 4 on 4 inches. Okay? This is a 5 lug, odd number, so what you want to do is go to the back of one, the back of the stud here, skip one, and go to the center of the next. So we're going to go to the back, and you can see that that's 4.5 inches. This is a 5 on 4.5, and if you want to double check your work on a 5 on 4.5 inch hub, center to center should be 2 5/8. You can see it's right on the money there. Okay, this is a 6 lug, even number. So again, you'll go across from each other, half on that stud, and this is going to be 6 on 5.5. Okay, 6 on 5.5. Here is an 8 lug. Okay, again, even number. So we'll go half in that stud. The middle of this stud is going to be 8 on 6.5. And that's all you need to do to figure out your bolt pattern.